ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ద పోలార్ రీజన్ 8th క్లాస్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పార్ట్ 1 బిట్స్. The region which lies near the poles is called polar region, tropical belt, temperate belt. None. Correct answer, polar region. Igloo means food, hunt, shelter, dress. Correct answer, shelter. How many years ago the Eskimos entered into North America? 5,000 years, 3,000 years, 8,000 years, 1,000 years. Correct answer, 5,000 years. Northern part of the continent within the polar region is known as tundra, territorial region, temperate region, cold region. Correct answer, tundra region. Tundra region has a unique type of vegetation, is known as tundra vegetation, evergreen forests, deciduous forests, bushes. Correct answer, tundra vegetation. Which month has no sunshine and sunset throughout the year in tundra region? Which month has no sunrise and sunset throughout the year in tundra region? May, June, July, August, September, October, April, May, June, November, December, January. Correct answer, November, December, January. Eskimos' main occupations are dairy farming, agriculture, hunting and fishing. Fishing. Correct answer, hunting and fishing. Upper soil surface of the polar region is frozen into a rock. This is called permafrost, ice, fertile soil. None. Correct answer, permafrost. Meaning of Eskimos is cold region people, snow show netter, hunters. None. Correct answer, snow show netter. Which month has the sun never sets? It shines all 24 hours. May, June, July, November, December, January, May, June, July. None. Correct answer, May, June, July. Find out the odd one out about Eskimos. Polar bear, fish, caribou, elephant. Correct answer, elephant. Which animal is hunting in summer in polar region? Caribou, seals, elephant, deer. Correct answer, caribou. Which language is spoken from northern Alaska to Greenland? Inupiaq, Yupik, Aleut, English. Correct answer, Inupiaq. Option A correct. Find out the odd one about polar region. Plants, lichens, grass, shrubs, trees. Correct answer, trees. Which animal is hunting in winter in polar region? caribou, seals, deer, elephant. Correct answer, seals.